Okay guys, so thought I'd make a video of what's happening with the Blue Beauty. It's unexplainable. I have no idea. I don't know if you guys can tell, but no real ticking going on. Nothing sounds out of the ordinary, but once you give it gas, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it just sounds fucking crazy. Here, I'll give it another go. She idles nice, but once you give her gas, she's just relentless. Just ticking out of nowhere. Maybe you guys will know where that's coming from this video.